To make a Cash App account without an SSN, you will need to use an individual taxpayer identification number or an ITIN. This is a unique number assigned to individuals who are not eligible for an SSN. To get started, you will need to download the Cash App from the App Store and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address, and then create a password. After verifying your account, you will be prompted to provide identification. This is where you will use your ITIN instead of an SSN. You can obtain an ITIN by visiting the IRS website and filling out Form W-7. You will need to provide proof of identity and foreign status. Once you have your ITIN, you can use it to verify your identity on the Cash App. After verifying your identity, you will be able to add a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. This will allow you to add and withdraw funds from your account. You can also use the Cash App to send and receive money, as well as invest in stocks and buy Bitcoin. It is essential to note that using an ITIN to create a Cash App account may have some limitations. For example, you may not be eligible for certain features, such as borrowing money or using a Cash App credit card. Additionally, you may be subject to certain tax implications, so it is crucial to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations. To avoid any issues, make sure to provide accurate and truthful information when creating your Cash App account. Also, be aware of the fees associated with using the Cash App, such as transaction fees and interest charges. In conclusion, making a Cash App account without an SSN is possible by using an ITIN. By following these steps and providing the necessary identification, you can create a Cash App account and start using its features. Remember to always follow best practices and consult with a tax professional to ensure you are in compliance with all tax laws and regulations.